Hello children, welcome to EVS class. Today in EVS we will learn a new chapter. Chapter number 13, Means of Transport. Dear children, if we have to go somewhere like school, to another city or to meet your cousin, how will you go? You will go by car or by bus or by train. Similarly, if you have to go to another country, then how will you go? Obviously, you will go by aeroplane or by ship. So, children, in this chapter, we will be reading about means of transport, why we need to travel, and different means of transport. So, let us start. Dear children, going from one place to another is called traveling. We can walk to places which are very close to us or which are nearby. But if we have to go to places which are far away, then we need some vehicles like bicycle, auto rickshaw, scooter, car, bus, train, ship, and aeroplane, etc. All these are called means of transport. Means of transport are also called as vehicles. Dear children, why do we need to travel? Actually, we don't get everything nearby. So, to get them, we travel from one place to another place. Our parents go to office, children go to school, we go to park, hospital, shopping malls, market, relatives' house, and sometimes we travel around the world during vacations. And for all these, we need some vehicle or means of transport. Now, different means of transport. Actually, means of transport carry people as well as our goods, our luggage. So, there are mainly three types of transport. The kind of transport we choose will depend on the distance to be traveled, the money we can spend, and the time available. These are the three means of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport. One by one, we will be reading about all these three. Land transport are the vehicles that move on land. They are known as land transport. Examples are bicycle, rickshaw, scooter, motorbike, bus, and train. They are the land transport. They are the means of land transport. Among all these, rail is the fastest means of transport as it runs on railway track. The train which carry passenger are known as passenger train, and the train which carry our goods and luggage are called goods train. Gatiman Express is the fastest trains of India and it runs between New Delhi to Agra. Here you can see these are all the examples of land transport. Water transport. The vehicles that move on water are called water transport. As you can see, the examples of water transport are boat, raft, sailboat, submarine, steamer, yacht, motorboat, and ship. The big ships which are used to transport our goods and luggage are called cargo ships. The largest passenger ship of the world are Oasis of the Seas and Allure of the Seas. Dear children, water transport is the cheapest and slowest means of transport as compared to land transport and air transport. Now, air transport. The vehicle that fly in the air are called air transport. Some of the examples of air transport are helicopter, hot air balloon, aeroplane, glider, and rocket. These are all air transport. Aeroplanes, which carry only goods or luggage from one place to another place, are known as cargo planes. The biggest plane in the world, as you can see here on the screen, is Antonov and 225 Mriya. Animals as means of transport. Dear children, long ago humans have used animals as a means of transport. In olden days, kings used to travel through elephants. Elephants are also used in a thick forest to carry the heavy loads. In hilly areas, horses, ponies, mules are used to carry goods and people. In desert, camels are used for carrying heavy loads, and they also carry people from one place to another place. Camels are also known as sheep of the desert because they move very fast in desert. Now, children, in our villages, bullock carts and donkeys, they are used to carry very heavy loads because they are very strong animals. Now, I hope everyone have learnt about the means of transport. So, let us review what we have read. These are the points to remember. Means of transport are used to carry people and goods from one place to another. Means of transport are also called as vehicles. Bicycles, rickshaws, bus and trains are means of land transport. Helicopters, rockets and aeroplanes are means of air transport. Boats, ships, submarines and steamers are means of water transport. Animals are used as means of transports in hills, deserts and forests.